We're now in section 7 of our AutoCAD Electrical 2015 course. And as usual for the working files, we have an AutoCAD Electrical project, Demo 07, and I'm in the drawing Demo 01, just so you know that you've got the right working files. So I'm just going to centralize this drawing by double-clicking on the wheel there and doing the zoom extents. And we're going to have a look at the AutoCAD Electrical user interface. Now, we're working in a base engine of AutoCAD 2015. So you're going to have things like the quick access toolbar, the ribbon tabs, and so on. That's because it's the latest version of AutoCAD Electrical. However, if you've never used AutoCAD Electrical before, you will realize that the user interface is somewhat different. Now, you'll notice when you use AutoCAD Electrical, you have the project manager over here on the left. Now, my suggestion is, as we work through this course, you keep that project manager open all the time. Then you can see which drawing is current, because it's highlighted in bold there, which subfolder is current of your project, and also, more importantly, which project you're in. What I really like about AutoCAD Electrical is it tells you up here as well which project you're using out of a list of projects that you may have available. So I'm using Demo 07 there right now. Now, as you can see, we've got a toolbar on the project manager, and we'll cover that in more detail as we go through the course. Down here, you have the details of the drawing that you've got open. So things like file name, description, location. I can also change that to a preview of the drawing if I want to as well. If I click here, that changes it to a preview or to details like so. The drawing area itself is no different whatsoever to a regular AutoCAD view. You've still got here your views and your visual styles. You've still got your view cube over here, and you've got your nav bar over here. However, there is one very important difference. I'm going to zoom in on this junction box here, and what I'm going to do is select the text inside it. When I right click on that, you'll see that I get the regular shortcut menu. Just click in the drawing area, hit escape a couple of times, and that's gone. Now, if I zoom out a bit, you'll see all these ones in blue. Now, why are they blue? That's because they're linked to the AutoCAD Electrical drawing database that's behind. It's the project database. We've got the project open here, Demo 07, and down here on the status bar, it's actually telling us that the project database service is okay. So basically, when you've got that tick on the project database, all your links are working and everything's working. Now, these bits of text here are actually block references. Now, they're block references because they're linked to other objects in other drawings in your AutoCAD Electrical project. Now, the reason I want to show you this as a user interface is if I select one of these, like so, and I right-click this time, I get a very different menu. I get the AutoCAD Electrical menu, which is specific to these particular objects. So it's a footprint on a panel drawing. As you can see, I can delete the footprint. I can surf for other incidences of that particular block. I can exit, I can insert a balloon, I can align that particular attribute to something in the drawing, I can copy it, or I can go into attributes and I can actually edit those attributes in the drawing itself. So be aware of that when you're using your AutoCAD Electrical user interface. I'll just hit escape there to lose that now. If I just double click on the wheel and zoom extents again, as you can see, the rest of AutoCAD Electrical 2015 is pretty self-explanatory. The ribbon is self-explanatory, but you have AutoCAD Electrical specific tabs like Project, Schematic, Panel, Report, Import-Export Data, and Conversion Tools. So you can see all of those are specific to AutoCAD Electrical. The other new thing in the interface is you'll notice that the status bar is very different to older versions of AutoCAD. Gone are the buttons with the words on, it's all icon driven now. So make sure that you're aware of that as well when you're using AutoCAD Electrical.